Hi, today you'll learn how to normalize audio in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to drag and drop your video or audio to the timeline, and after that you need to change position of the indicator to the start. Then you need to select your audio and you need to go to Effects tab, and here on the search field you need to type Normalize. After that, you'll be able to select one from two available options on the volume and dynamic settings. Of course, you can find them manually if you want. And now I will select the normalize option and I'm going to drag and drop it to my audio. Then if you click on it, you'll be able to see here effects and composition stack settings. And of course, you can modify here the effect of your audio. So you can modify maximum gain increase or maximum gain decrease. Everything depends on your preferences. So maybe I will decrease maximum gain increase to 10 and maybe I will increase maximum gain decrease to -10, yeah? Okay, now we can play our video with audio. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. And how you see, normalize effect has been successfully added to our audio and it sounds really great now. If I helped you to do it, remember to send a tip to my channel using thank you option. Thank you for watching my tutorials.